Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to cook talbos ng kamote in the microwave oven in just 4 minutes. Rinse the talbos ng kamote thoroughly. Soak the talbos ng kamote in the water with the salt in 10 minutes. Salt helps to draw insects, bugs hiding in the produce like your green leafy vegetables. After soaking the talbos ng kamote in water with salt in 10 minutes, rinse it again thoroughly. Put the talbos ng kamote in the microwavable bowl. And cover it with paper towel or a plastic cover. Set the timer in 4 minutes. In 2 minutes, take out the bowl with the talbos ng kamote and turn over the talbos ng kamote. In that way, it will cook evenly. And then, cover with the paper towel and put it back in the microwave for another 2 minutes. There you go, my talbos ng kamote microwaved in 4 minutes. I prefer 4 minutes because I don't want my talbos ng kamote too soggy. And for me, this is a perfect texture. For my dipping sauce, I use 3 cloves garlic, half red onion, apple cider vinegar, and fish sauce. Mince the garlic. Chop the onion finely. Combine all the ingredients in a bowl. Add apple cider vinegar, fish sauce, and it is according to your taste. Here's my talbos ng kamote cooked in the microwave oven with my apple cider vinegar and fish sauce dipping sauce. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video, and please like and subscribe to my channel, Everything About Nelly, and thank you so much. You have a wonderful day. Bye.